Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I don't have that many videos up, except I do have some shorts up. So if you're here from my shorts, oh my god, I love you. Anyways, I'm Baśka and I'm hoping your 2026 is going amazing, fabulous, everything good. I want everything good for you. So anyways, today I want to share with you everything I've made in January so far. I have loved to sew since I was a child and I'm trying to get back into it. I'm trying to update my closet. I'm trying to get better at sewing because I'm known to be a little bit of a chaotic sewer person. Yeah, that is why I made the channel. Plus, it's something that gives me great joy and I really want to share it with you. Plus, when people are asking me like, hey Baśka, what have you been making? What have you been sewing? Now I've got answers. Anyway, let's get into it. A good place to start is with what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this really cute top and the skirt. I made the top like a while ago, but the skirt is recent from January. So the top, it's probably one of my faves because I don't know, it really speaks to me. The fabric I chose is like this textury and it has these sparkles in it, and I love sparkles. I love sparkles. Glitter, sparkles, I'm in. I'm in. I love glitter and sparkles. And making the shirt was great because it's now like a non-basic basic. I love it. It's great. And now this skirt, I made it out of this cute like satiny fabric, which I love. It's like I chose like a heavyweight fabric because I really wanted it to be like kind of like structured, and when you make the ruffles they get like really like, I don't know how to describe it, like floofy and bouncy, and just makes this skirt like really nice and twirly. Oh yeah, I am in love. Now moving on to the second dress I made. Okay, I think I definitely had a mini dress moment. Maybe I'm excited for summer. I'm excited for like beautiful weather. So I'm getting prepared. So this dress is so cute. It reminds me of like, I don't know, it's very ballet core, and I made it out the same fabric as the previous skirt. Yes. And I made sure to use a lot of fabric for the bottom part, and it's just like floofy, twirly. That's what I want. I love it. Okay, so for the third thing I made, again, this purple fabric, I think it's got a hold on me. I love it. And this mini dress, it's so cute. I made the straps pearls and like a little cute like pearl bow. I love it. And I accidentally made it a little too short. Like, yeah, that wasn't covering what it was supposed to. So I did have to add like a little bit of the bottom piece, but it worked out really perfectly because I feel like it almost balances out in like in thirds of the fabric. I think it worked out so well. It's so cute. I'm gonna be wearing this all the time, I swear. Now for this cute little blue number. Oh my gosh. So this fabric, it's so cute. I feel like it looks like little feathers on it. I like thrifted this fabric a while ago. I just love like the texture of it. It's so cute. And I decided to make the lining like this purple. I don't know, I like the two colors together. I mean, yeah, it's so good. At first I made it like a straight top at the top, but then I decided to like pinch it to make it more of like a sweetheart neckline. I don't know, I think it really just suits me, or just kind of suited the pattern I made. I don't know, but it definitely worked out. And yeah, it's a cute little A-line. It's super good. Now for this peachy pink hollow iridescent dress. Oh my gosh, this dress, it makes me feel like a fairy. I love it. It's perfect. It's so good. This fabric has a hold on me. The lace, the color. I love it. And I was gonna make like all the little floofies, the little triangles at the bottom, like the same all around. But the ones to the sides, I was like, actually, I'm gonna make them like kind of like hang down a little. I don't know. Like, it just felt so right in the moment, and I believe I made the best decision. I love it. Okay, last but not least, this yellow dress. The lace I'm living for. It has like these cute roses, and I don't know, it gives kind of like romantic garden. I love it so much. And I remember at first I was gonna make like a floofy bottom, like kind of like the purpley ballerina dress, but I decided to drape it. And yeah, it just turned out exactly not how I imagined, but exactly how it was supposed to. And that just happens. It always turns out way better than I expect. And I don't know where I'm gonna wear this to. I'm probably just gonna wear it out everywhere. I don't care. So that is everything I made in January of 2026. Woo! I'm so proud of myself. You know when you like finish a project and you feel so accomplished? That's like how I feel every time I make something I absolutely love, and I'm so happy to share it with you. Hopefully I'll make maybe some like tutorials and stuff in the future. We'll see. I'm kind of getting the hang of like filming stuff like this. But yeah, if you made it this far, oh my god, I love you. Anyways, share, like, subscribe. Yeah, I hope to see you next time.